everyone, my name is Vaishnav Meshro Deshmukh. Today's topic is Java 8 Futures and today's date is 8 November 22. Now I firstly discuss in the what is Java 8 Futures. The Java 8 Futures is a Oracle related new versions of a Java 8 in a March 18, 2014. It was a release of the Java softwares and a development of a platforms and include versions is upgraded in the Java 8 programming and JVM tools and libraries. Then it is the Java 8 programming language enhancement. The Java 8 provide in following features for a Java programming. First is the lambda expression, second is the method reference, third is the functions of a interface and stream API default method, base 64s are the encoders and decoders, static methods and a interface an operational class, collection of a class for each method, enhancement of a JavaScript of an engine, parallel array in the sorting, type of the repeating and the annotations, and IO enhancement and concurrency enhancement and JDBC enhancement etc. Firstly, discussing the lambda expression. The lambda expressions helps to the write over in the code and functions, styles, and it is provided to clear in the uh, clear why its importance is a SMA interface single abstract method by using expressions etc is very useful and collections of a library and which is help of the iterate filters and extract of a data. Then secondly discussing the method reference. The method reference in a Java 8 method reference is used to the refer method, function, interface. It is the compact and easy from the lambda expression. And each time when we are using in the lambda expression to just of a referring method and you can be the replace of a lambda expressions and with a method reference. Then it is the function interface. The function interface is that can be contains only the abstract methods and it is known as the function of an interface have any number of default static method. It can be also declare method in object and class and function interface are also known as single abstract methods and then interface of SAM interface for more information. This is then it is the optional. The optional introductions is new classes and optional in the Java 8 it is the public final class and which is the two deals of with the null points of the exceptions and in a Java applications and we will be must be the Java util package and use to the classes and providing the method check and presenting the value in particular classes. Then discussing the for each Java providing to the new methods in for each and iterate the elements and then define into iterables and stream of a interface and it is the Java is default method in defines into the iterate of a interface collection class with the extend into the iterables and interface can be used in for each method and iterables of elements and then it is this the methods is the single parameters and which function in interface so pass the lambda expression in arguments. Then discussing the data type API. The Java is introductions is new data types of API signed in Java 8 and the Java timings packages contain in Java 8 data time of classes and for and then it is the discussing the Java default methods in the Java providing to the facility in create of methods and default methods and inside of interface and then it is the method which can be the defined into the inside of a interface and target its which is the default keywords is known as the default method and method is known as abstract methods and have a method body. Then discussing the nations of a JavaScript engine. The nations of a JavaScript engine it is used to the executed Java code and dynamically and JVMs and the JVMs is the Java virtual machine. Java is provided in the command line of tools JS, JGS which is used in executed JavaScript There are two types of a JavaScript. First is the using of command line of tools, and second is the enhanced embedding software using the Java source of a code. Next is the collection. The collections are is a final class is extend object class in provided in reducing in operation as such as accumulations of elements into the collections and summaries of elements and according to the various criteria. This is the